Right, we're back in the realm of the monster sandwich, and as you saw from the title, this is going to be an Italian inspired sandwich of epic proportions. Right, I'm going back to the sun-dried tomato ciabatta that I tried before. Yeah, I know any ciabatta is Italian, but this is the one I like the most, and it kind of goes with what we're doing here. So once again, I'm going to cut that open and do a nice reveal on the inside of that, because it just looks so gorgeous. I mean, Viva Italia. Check that out. Check that out. Getting close. How gorgeous is that? Alright, other ingredients we have here. For the bottom of this, I'm going to go with pesto. Can't get much more Italian than that. So I'm going to spread that on the bottom of it. And then I've got some mozzarella. And this is the Italian mozzarella that comes in a little bag with liquid. So you can use any mozzarella you can get your hand on, but this is a particularly nice and delicate and creamy one, and I always use this when I'm doing insalata caprese or the Italian caprese salad. And also I like to use these big fat juicy beefsteak tomatoes. Various things. I've got some Milano salami, very Italian, and I've got some Sicilian style ham. So all that's going in the sandwich. Right. Also I've got some mayonnaise, I've got some Dijon mustard, I've got some homemade pickles to serve it with, and I've got, in this case, I've got these nice root vegetable and sea salt crisps or chips, and they're really nice, but you'll see what they look like when they're plated up. Very decorative, very nice. So let's get cracking with this. I'll crack open my jar of pesto, and let's just start loading that fella up with pesto. So on the bottom, generous amounts of pesto, because you can. Love pesto. If you don't love pesto, don't make this sandwich, because this is an Italian inspired sandwich, and it needs pesto. At least this one does. Right, straight on the pesto, and for some nice contrast, I'm going to go straight on that with some mozzarella. Love mozzarella. Light, creamy, delicious, fun to eat. Great on pizzas. Okay. I think the next thing on top of that, we're going to do some ham, and be generous with the ham, because you can. So what I do is I like to loam sort of that way, and sort of that way, and one in the middle, like that. On top of that, some Milano. I like Milano salami, it's got a lovely flavour to it, beautiful cure on it. But you can use any type of salami or saucisson set you've got to hand. But I think Italian Milano is very special. It is very special. Super. I'm going to go a couple more on that because I can. Let's go there, and there, and another one there, and there. So you'll see how gorgeous that's starting to look. Right, let's load it up with tomatoes. Let's get them on there. Juicy tomatoes. that's plenty of tomatoes, I think. And the next thing I want to do is get some mayonnaise onto that. Put that on the lid, and then spread the same with some mustard. And I'm using Dijon mustard here. You can use anything you like. If you can get hold of it, use Italian mustard, because that will be epic. And I like mustard, but you know, you can leave it out completely or put as much on as you like. It's your sandwich, isn't it? Alright, let's get that spread with that. And that sandwich is pretty much good to go. Apart from one thing. Extra tomato, because we can. And some salt and pepper. Not too much salt. You don't need too much salt because of the cured meats. But just a little bit. Just to set off your tomatoes, and plenty of black pepper, as much as you like. It's yours. And then we're ready to seal up and cut. All right, now I'm just going to bring that over, push in those as I close it up, and there we go. So hold it down, find the middle line, and cut. Let's get that out of the way. And then we'll go in for the close-up. That is gorgeous. Now I think you'll agree with me, that looks like a pretty epic, fabulous sandwich. And I'm just going to take a couple of stills and get that plated up for you. So there we have it, my Italian inspired super sandwich with some homemade pickles, which happen to be zucchini pickles, and some chips made from root vegetables. So there you go. How does that look?
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.